Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards and see what we get today. Powerful. May you be as potent as the ocean. I'll do my best today, no matter what. Even if my best is way, way, way less than perfect, still counts. Life is not a buffet. We have choices, sure, but not always. We don't always get to choose what breaks us down or destroys the life we have or the life we wanted. What we get to choose and what you get to choose is what we take from this kind of loss and what we choose to create from the rubble. You're a work in progress. The finished project isn't here yet and never will be. You're still learning and growing, and it's possible you're in a whole new awkward phase because apparently adolescence wasn't enough. Remember that it's possible to love who you are while also trying to change for the better. Is it easy? No, it is not, but you're worth the struggle. Reflections. How are you doing good in the world? How do you feel about the level of impact you're making? Alrighty, what are the quotes we're gonna get today? Make the rest of your life the best of your life. Yes, yes. 6 plus 3 equals 9, but so does 5 plus 4. The way you do things isn't always the only way to do them. Respect other people's way of thinking. Take time out from the world and be the observer. Be open to receiving sweetness. Oh, yep. Let worry go and instead choose love. There is power in your wisdom and words. You inspire me all the time. Thank you for existing. Love every part of your journey. Let your wildest dreams bloom. Yes, yes. Do what you love and love what you do. Don't give other people permission to ruin your day. Ruin it your own self. Let worry go and instead choose love. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.